Now maybe this. Chai, I don't know. Good evening, everybody. My name is Jacinta Okansi and I'm a Nigerian. I'm Ghanaian sometimes, I'm Nigerian sometimes, depends on where money is. So, hey, pardon me. I feel they speak some kind of things. Just pay attention. DKB, I want to advise you. Stop dancing. You're a terrible dancer. You come here, come and shake. Only your head will move. Don't come here, come dance again. Stop it. Please, everybody, put your hands together for Abraham Attar. He has done Ghana very proud. Very proud. I mean, that boy has proved that they lied to us. Education is not the key. I feel very stupid right now writing my final year projects. The only Oscar I know is David Oscar. Oh! The boy said he will now act Ghana film. At Oko, not by force. How many Ghana film John Domelo no act? You don't see us talk of car. Have you seen our movies? Have you seen our movies? I know say I don't get sense, but when I watch our movies, I give myself hope. Our movies, very, very well. If you say that for Ghana, then act Beast of No Nation, you would have seen a live beast in the movie. Stupid, graphic-looking beast that will fly. Have you seen our movies? You see white people movie, you see accident scenes, very on point. When person will get accidents, he will get accidents. To get accidents, go hungry you. You just see sports car go just they move, swerve. Before you know, trailer from nowhere go come somersault, fly over the sports car. Nothing go scratch, the driver will still the drive. And I wonder, oh, you God, which kind of God they get? And then after all that, the car go somersault, the car will catch fire still. The driver will survive. Which kind of blood is flow from your veins? And then I think that is not enough. In less than 5 minutes, you will see ambulance. They'll come carry you, put you, and you are safe. You don't go die. Our movie, in the first instance, our accident scene, they very vexed. Number one, you go see Jackie Appiah stand by the roadside. Very narrow way, no be highway. Van Vinca go on the drive. No be top speed though. It just dey move gently. The next thing, Jackie Appiah stand face, she no cross o. Immediately she see say motor dey drive dey come, na there she go enter road. You have seen the car is coming. What do? Is it not to run along? She will stand, face the car. Broken bottles. Accident don't happen with that. And now here the motor reach out. By the time the blank screen will come alive, my sister will be lying down on the ground. She's bleeding from her ear, nose, mouth, eye, teeth, tongue, everything is bleeding. So now Agmata sort on injury. My sister go to the hospital now, her head then go bandage. How far? How? And then, you see our accident scene. There's nothing like ambulance. Who be ambulance? The motor will jam in and go carry you hospital. That's why I dey pray for my life. Father Lord, as I dey come out, even if my motor won't jam me, make Lamborghini jam me. If one nonsense car no just won't jam me, I no go take her at all. At least even if I go die, I die, the car die. And then another thing about our movies, die, especially an old person, your mom or your dad, white people, they die, they don't disturb you with their death. Why? They just like, oh, we lost my mom, she died peacefully in her sleep. Simple, just die and go. Heaven, hell, look at it, just go. Our movies, if person never cough, he no go die. You will see our movie, Ghana and Nigeria, the same thing. Typical Gajirian movie. That's one guy. Choco mama. Choco mama. Mama, I know you want to die. Just die. They can disturb too much. You see why people think when you are watching the movie, soundtrack is sweet. Sometimes you don't even hear people singing, you just hear musical instruments, and it's interesting. Look at Game of Thrones. Well, even Obama they watch Game of Thrones. Have you seen that movie? Very beautiful. That series is lovely. You watch it and the soundtrack is just lovely. Imagine say they shoot Game of Thrones for Nigeria. They won't put soundtrack. And then you go hear Sister Ngozi voice from you. When Khaleesi is coming out with her dragon, you will hear Khaleesi's voice. Sister Nkechi. White people, witchcraft, sorcery is real. When you see witchcraft in white movies, you don't go ever try to offend the person. Here, our witches are always happy. When you see a typical witchcraft scene, they're in their coven. You go see them, they're like, ha! Who you want to destroy? Before you destroy me, I'll break you to pieces. It's disturbing, man. Ramata, don't act our movie. Just stay where you did. Stay where you did. I beg. I have a Nigerian mom, so I grew up in Nigeria like for the better part of my life. I don't know whether the one that's made is better, so I guess I said better part of my life. And then I came to Accra a couple of years ago. And then my dad was trying to school me. I know they listened. Then one night, I was coming from an event at the National Theatre. And then I got robbed. I was standing there. I think say Lagos thief, they thief. Now when I come Ghana, I don't say no signs. Ghana thief, I don't ballet for you. Hey! They know they stress you. This guy walked up to me. He no carry gun. He no carry knife. He just came, picked my phone from my hand and ran away. The disturbing thing was that this guy get bow leg. Me, with my legs straight, I pursued this guy, I no catch him. And so because of that, I decided to get myself a brand new phone. So I called one of my colleagues, a fellow comedian. I said, guy, don't pick me like joke for this Ghana. Ghana safe, Ghana this, Ghana good. They don't rob me. I won't buy a new phone. And then my friend was like, oh, Samsung is a good phone and all that. You see, there is this part of Accra. Pay attention. There is this part of Accra. If you are not spiritually sound, if you are not high in the spirit of the Lord, do not try to venture the principalities and powers that operate within that zone. Somebody say circle. They walk. Brethren, as I reach house, I put on my brand new Samsung phone. You see those two hands ready for Nokia phone? Now then come out. I just said, oh no. They not shake up, they chop knuckle. when I no go catch me today, I go kill this show finish. I went to Seco again. I said, this time no be Samsung. Those Samsung people, it be like say their package, you give me iPhone. And then they give me iPhone, everything they work. The eye they work, the phone they work, the iPhone they work. And then when I got home, waiting my eyes see, this one my mouth go talk. I put on my iPhone and then you see that apple way they the back, they never chop am. They don't chop the apple. Straight full apple from the garden of Eden. Brethren, that one no do. I say okay, make the apple wait. As I on this iPhone, the iPhone get radio, get antenna. Now there respect her crown. I respect her crown. Brethren, that's my time. I'm actually, happy to be here tonight. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
No wonder. Here's the boy Swaggy. K1 style out there. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life really good, maybe you don't know. Here the super stay low. Me, I got dough, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to true life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Cause to test and try, it would come separately. Tied up with the moment when I live a level obviously. Mom is gone, she got me hustle so I eat. But I know one that's all gonna be victory.